In this video, you will learn how to write exponential functions in the form y equals a b to the x, given 2 points that are contained in it. So let's solve some sample problems here. Which exponential function of the form y equals a times b to the x contains the points 432 and 564? All right, how are we going to solve this? We're given here 2 points. Let's say this is our x sub 1, y sub 1, and this one is x sub 2, y sub 2. So we can form 2 equations here in this form. So y sub 1 is equal to a times b to the x sub 1. And then the other one is y sub 2 equals a to the b x sub 2. So let's plug in all the values into the equation. So y sub 1 is 32 equals a b to the 4th. Then y sub 2 is 64 equals a b to the 5th. Now to write the exponential function in this form, y equals a b to the x, we need to solve for a and b first. So we now have 2 equations. We can just divide them. We divide y sub 1 over y sub 2 equals ab x sub 1 over ab x sub 2. Then we plug in the equations. So this is 32 equals ab to the 4th over 64 ab to the 5th. And now we can reduce them. A here cancels out. 64 is divisible by 32. So 64 divided by 32 is just 2. So this is 2. Then we have 1/2 equals b to the 4th over b to the 5th. Or you can divide this the other way around. 64 over 32 would be easier. Okay. And then we can just flip this. This would give us 1/2 equals 1 over b. So when you divide terms that have the same basis, we just have to subtract the exponent. So this is 1 over b to the 5 minus 4. That's why I just wrote here 1 over b. 1 over b to the 1. Okay. Therefore, b here, we cross multiply. So b here is just equal to 2. And now we can solve for a. We can choose either of the 2 equations. Okay, let's say we choose this one. 32 equals ab to the 4th. We just plug in the value of b here to solve for a. So 32 equals a, and then plug in the value of b that we just got here to the power of 4. So 32 equals a times 16. So we have 32 equals 16a, and then we divide both sides by 16. Therefore, the value of a is just equal to 2. Okay, now we have the values for a and b. We can plug all these values to the values of a and b to the exponential function in this form. We can form the exponential equation or function. So our equation would be y equals 2 times 2 to the x. So this is our exponential function in the form y equals a b to the x. Alright, let's solve another one. Which exponential function of the form y equals ab to the x contains the points 220 and 340? Again, we do the same thing. Say this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. And then we write our two equations. Y sub 1 equals ab to the x sub 1. So this is just 20 equals ab squared. And then the other one is y sub 2 equals ab to the x sub 2. So this is 40 equals ab cubed. Now we can divide them. Let's try dividing y sub 2 by y sub 1. So this is just equal to ab cubed over, let's write this first, ab x sub 2 over ab x sub 1. And then we plug in all the values. So this is 40 equals ab cubed over 20 equals ab squared. And then a here cancels out. 40 divided by 20 is just 20. And b cubed over b squared is just equal to b, because they have the same basis. So we subtract the exponents. 3 minus 2 is just 1. Therefore, the value of b here is 20. And now we can solve for a. We can choose either of the two equations here. So let's choose this. Okay, so this is 20 equals a. We plug in the value of b, which is also 20 squared. Okay. 20 times 20 is just 400. So we have an equation 20 equals 400a. And then we divide both sides by 400. Then this cancels out. Therefore, our a is just equal to 20 over 400. And 400 is divisible by 20. So we divide both our numerator and denominator by 20. So this is just 1 over 20. So this is the value for our a. Now we can write the exponential function y equals ab to the x. So this is just y equals the value of a is 1 over 20 times the value of b to the power of x. So this is our equation in the form y equals ab to the x.